So next point is histogram plotting. So what is a histogram? Histogram represents the frequencies of values of a variable bucketed into the ranges. Now what do you mean by frequencies of values? So suppose we are taking same example. What is the example? That the students in a class have marks. So 60 students, 60 marks, and if we want to plot the histogram for marks of the students, then out of this 60, how many students have got which marks? So the frequency of values, that is frequency of marks. So for example, suppose 7 students have got out of 100 70 marks. So the frequency of 70 is 5. Similarly, suppose 10 students have got 60 marks. So 60 marks is having frequency of 10. Okay. So when we require the histograms to be plotted, when we want to know what is the count of a particular value in a total data set. Okay. And that gives the information about for example popularity, or which is the value which is frequently occurring, like this. So histogram is similar to bar chart, but the difference is it groups the value into continuous ranges. So continuous ranges is 10 to 20, this range 20 to 30, like this. Each bar in histogram represents the height of the number of values present in that range, that is frequency. So I'll create a histogram using hist function. This function takes a vector as an input and uses some more parameters to plot histograms. So the basic syntax for creating histogram using R is hist v main x label, x limit, y limit, breaks, colors and border. So likewise there are many more parameters, depends on the requirement in the graphical representation. You can use those parameters. So v is vector containing numeric value used in histogram. Main indicates the title of chart, as we have done for other charts also. Color is used for color. Border is used to set a border color of each bar. So we have not used in earlier example. We will try to use in this example. X label, x limit, y limit and breaks is used to mention the width of each bar. Okay. So now we will try this command. So before directly going to the help of histogram, let us very first draw a simple histogram with a simple data set. Suppose I am having one data set which is here represented by a vector. Suppose 10, 29, 34, 10, 10, 23 and 50. So how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, one more I take. Suppose again 50. So suppose these are the 8 students and who have got marks out of 50. Okay, so now we are interested in plotting the histogram for this data set. So what I'll do is I will just write hist and pass this x to this hist function. Now see what happens. So you have got a simple histogram. Now in this histogram automatically range is decided. On what basis the range is decided? Now see here, minimum value is 10 and maximum value is 50. Okay, so accordingly there could be a range 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. And now we are getting the frequency of the values belonging to this range, 10 to 20 range. So here 10 to 20 range, how many values are there? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 values, hence the frequency of the values in the range 10 to 20 is 3, right? Second, 20 to 30, how many values are there? So here 1 and 2. So it is showing 2. Similarly 30 to 40, only one value is there, that's why 1. And 40 to 50, how many values are there? 2 values. Okay, So if you will sum up this, you will get the number of elements in a data set. For example, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. So see, 8 numbers are there in this data set. So this is a simple way to plot a frequency. Now see here, I have not labeled this graph, is it? That is this histogram, but automatically the histogram of X, this is automatic histogram name, that is with the main I can change it. Similarly, since X is passed, it is written on the X-axis, and by default the Y-axis is representing the frequency of values in the particular range. Okay, now we will try to use more parameters which are present in this format. So it is, I'm just copying it. Okay, now we have to give the values for this. Now V is representing the data set, main is representing the name which I want to give for this histogram plotted, histogram example. Okay, X label, see here we don't have Y label because it is normally frequency. So what is X label? Suppose marks. X limit. Now X limit we can define as the vector having lower and upper limit for X axis. So here by default it has taken 10 to 50. Suppose I increase this limit, or I am giving limit as 0, 100, and I am also giving Y limit as C, then 0, 10. Okay, I am not using suppose breaks. Color, yes, I will use color, for example again red. Okay, then border is equal to, suppose I am giving blue. Now see what is the change. Now is it as per whatever we have given as input? So what input we have given? So X is passed. Now histogram example, it is changed. Then X label is marks, X limit is 0 to 100. Now see here, scale is 0 to 100, right? Then Y limit is 0 to 10. So again here the scale is 0 to 10, and with this the histogram will be plotted. Now border is equal to blue. Now see, this is new thing. Here the color field is red but the border is blue. Now is it correct? Now see, this is 0, so the scale of 2020 is considered here, so this will be representing 10. So 10 to 20 it is having 3 value. So 3, 2, 1, and so same histogram is plotted with the different look. So depending on the application you can make changes in the representation of the histogram. So I hope you have understood this histogram. So this is representing frequency of occurrence of a particular values in a particular range.